Welcome to our second investment property, which we are converting into a high-end HMO. And this property already looks so different since we purchased it. So all the first fix is done now, which means all the electrics and all the plumbing is fully installed throughout the property. And we as well installed brand new windows, and we are making ready this property for insulation, boarding it up, and ready for skimming. And in this property, we approach things in a completely different way from our first project. And we're gonna share all of this with you throughout this video, so make sure to stick around. Hi, I'm Greta, and behind camera is my husband Daniil, and together we are the Vnoutchkovs. And last year we started property investment with zero experience, and we are sharing our journey step by step here on this YouTube channel. And if this is something that interests you, make sure to like and subscribe. And now let me show you the property. So we are right now at the back of the property. This is where it's gonna be our kitchen, living room, dining space. So obviously we installed the new windows here. As you can see, we have a gap there. We have to brick it up. Obviously we increased the height of the window purely because we're gonna have a kitchen counter running throughout this whole wall. And we as well created a new opening for the door and the window to access garden from here. And obviously, as you can see, all the electrics and all the fire cables is now being installed, and everything is ready for brand new spotlights, for all the new sockets, for the new layout in general. And at the back here, what used to be a garage, we created one more bedroom. Let me show you. Obviously, we created the ensuite bathroom here, and our plumber installed all the new pipes. This is where the sink is gonna go. This is where the toilet is gonna be, the shower. So all the pipes, everything is brand new, being installed throughout the whole house. And it looks amazing. Obviously, this time we decided to take things a bit slower, and it was very important for us. On our first project, one big mistake we did, we allowed our builder to work ahead of our electrician and plumber, and they were boarding and closing the things so fast that it was making hard to work, not only for the plumber, but even for us to actually inspect and see what is the progress, how the pipes looks like. And this time we were like, we're not gonna let this happen. We allow our plumber, our electrician to do their job. We're gonna inspect all the pipes, all the cables, and only then we're gonna let them to close down. And obviously it's very nice to see. It looks amazing. And let me take you to the rest of the house now. So obviously this is gonna be a really big, nice kitchen. Our builders created this little wall here and an opening for brand new door underneath the staircase, because we have a little cellar there. And this is where we're gonna install our water tanks and all the electrics. So we are very lucky to have this little cellar, and we don't have to try to find a space in the house where to put all the water tanks, because they're quite big. So we're gonna have like a little storage there underneath the staircase. Let me show you the rest of the house. As you can see, all the electrics running throughout the whole house. All the pipes. I mean, our plumber needs to come in just one more day to finish little bits here on the ground floor, but the rest, everything has been done now. And yeah, so now it's all ready to be insulated, and obviously we're gonna be insulating the whole house, all the external walls. We're taking so much more care of the insulation in this house compared to our first project, because in the end we are going for a very high-end HMO. We want to make sure everything is done up to a high standard. All the walls are insulated, that the house is going to be warm and have the best acoustic performance as well. So obviously this is our ensuite here with all the pipes already being installed. And this is gonna be the last bedroom here. Obviously it's light, it's nice. The new bay window has been installed just a few days ago. Yeah, so that's it on the ground floor. Let me show you actually where our fire panels will go. So as you can see, these red cables, they are fire cables. And when you do a big HMO, which is 6 bedrooms and above, obviously you have to take care of the fire alarm system, which is completely different than when you do a small HMOs. So this is where we're gonna install our fire panel, all the fire break points. Yeah, so let me take you to the first floor now. So we are on the first floor right now. As you can see, we have a fire break point here. This is very important on each floor next to the staircase to have a fire break point when you have a large HMO. This is gonna be one of the bigger bedrooms. It's really nice size. Actually, we didn't change the window in this bedroom because it's still in a great condition. It's double glazed. However, we will have to insulate extra this room above on the ceiling because it has a cold roof. And yeah, so as you can see, all the electrics, all the new sockets, it's being installed. This is gonna be the ensuite. All the pipes for the showers and for the toilets are in place already. Let me show you the rest of the house. So this is one of our off suites for one of the bedrooms. And this is a really nice sized bathroom. We're gonna install shower here, toilet here, the new sink here. We still have to change this glass into obscure glazing. It actually arrived too big, so they rectifying the mistake and sending us a new glass to change it. Let me show you the rest of the property. So as you can see all the pipes here, which is from above bathrooms coming, and it's very nice to see now. Obviously, our plumber now installed it properly. He installed it with the metal brackets. We had an issue on the first project. Our builder was the one installing the pipes, and he installed them with cables into the ceilings. And obviously when we saw first time, it was causing us a massive headache. We told them to rip it out, redo it, because we said this is not a way to go. So this time we told our plumber to do all the pipe installation, and obviously we kept the builders out of this. So yeah, as you can see, all the pipes being installed, it looks great. Let me take you to the rest of the bedrooms on this floor. So you can see all the pipes here running. And this is gonna be another bedroom. It looks here. Obviously, we have all the new electric layouts. We made sure this time we walked throughout the whole house, position them in the right way for the better flow, because there was some mistakes with the sockets on the first project, which obviously we didn't realize until we really started to order furniture, that some of them could have been on a better position. So we took extra time on this house, walking around, making sure that all the sockets are in the correct positions. And let me take you to the last bedroom. So this is gonna be last bedroom on this floor. It's a very nice size as well. It looks great. The other mistake we actually did on our first project, our builder actually wanted to connect extractor fans together from one bathroom to another bathroom and then coming out. But in this project, we're making sure both bathrooms are having separate extractor fans coming out of the building, and we're making sure we drilled all the holes at the back of the building because we want the front to stay clean and pretty, because obviously this is the face of the building. So we made sure that all the pipes running at the back of the property. So now let me show you the loft. So this is our loft. This is another fire break point, as you can see, just in front of the staircase. This is gonna be one of the biggest rooms in the house. The builders created the space for insulation, and obviously all the new sockets are in, the new windows are in, and in this room we're gonna create a custom wardrobe, and obviously the layout is amazing, and this room is gonna have a really nice size. In the end, that's what we are going for. We are going for high-end HMOs. We want the tenants to have the best experience living in this house. Let me show you the last bedroom. Actually, before I show you the last bedroom, this is gonna be the off suite for the room that I just showed you. As well, as you can see, it's a really decent sized bathroom. All the shower, all the toilet, all the pipes are installed here. And then this is gonna be our last bedroom. Windows are in, all the electrics, all the plumbing. This is gonna be another really nice sized bathroom here, and we actually created opening for the wardrobe, so we're gonna have a custom wardrobe here. Yeah, so this is all the pipes and all the installations of the plumbing. So this is our update since the last video. So all the first fix are done, all the electrics, all the plumbing is finally complete. So that's where we are after 4 months of progress. And compare this to our first project, we definitely working smarter, not only harder. And I can't wait to show you how this house will look like after all the ceilings has been dropped, all the plaster boards are in, and it's been fully plastered, because that's when you can really start to feel how this house gonna look like. And if you would like to see how this property looked like once we bought it, make sure to check out this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.